Barandia kurwaso orogongo rwaguse aneme county ya Kisii baichanire nchire chinyomba chigendere togotagurwa negatigati omuchobo songo barandia bunigo baichanira no gotagurwa we chinyomba chia kebara chia kanisa asono baburire mugavano be county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kane kibuna nkomukerege tambokero na gotenenia obotaguri we chinyomba omulike itobene Brighton Makoli no roboti rwa sinchira yoboikirano
batwacha na pastor ba Gusii abutora ba pastor bangemono koramikera ege kale kanase omugito Gusii ngega ege bana twacholete omagyo tara chikoera ekanise ria tarete ko ibolio muchango boko mwachikura nera chakere gotagora
ebyo nabyo birengererio bya barandia bukurwase county ya Kisii asebono bamubolire mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Zimba baurarati kubwateri chiko anekero agutagura chinyomba se county ya Kisii
toko musabaiga your excellency governor ekanisa ro kugusabira ukoronge na ukorokera likwenda gukora taliero rasunyetaga na kanyobo soku kera boda yete abashirika baito bagandi cyoche kiriba wakanira gusaba tumuge cyoche bagagira se kanisa
ntoigweti buya muna aba pastor ba Kisii county asenge njoli nganeri neri ngana liokogechi mono na ndelio koreto bosoku na ende bono ekorolekana nga barandi mbaya somo chobosongo ega kone ke gosega koreke mugavano ito kero kende kiagara na arawea ega koreke are ko muntu mutangani kugekana ekiagera agaige kanisa enu ache tagasaba chikura
tware gosaba nga mune kanisa ere riogo esikwe ekiagera ekanise goseri buna bona iga batagurite kanise abantu jijo babwatese bagocha igo no gotebinga baka abantu basogoje kanisa basabe ekiagera bagocha ndagera mbaliete kanga iba kunyeire asenta to goteba nga Nyasaye akonye serikali yetu
korengana na Bishop John Omangi kurwase kanisa ya Anglican Church of Kenya nigatebuna marago na majikonsi na bwadetiwe ekere nyombe yare kwagachwa kolende otagurukwaye nigokore no moichano.
The construction here it went through all processes of approval, plan, through fiscal planning, through survey, through all integrity reports, and this building were approved. It defeats logic to find the same government which approved the buildings and it is coming all of a sudden and demolish the buildings.
Boigo bune kanisa nigo batebuna nigo babwate obuoba ngakibara chikogendera kokore mirimo ne serikali.
Kisii County, our warriors are clergy, and that is our major concern, is that we are witnessing a scenario where the church is going to live in fear with the government of the day, which is very, very, very dangerous.
Asenzemo yenjara no kuburwa kuborendia sense ya Kenya niga barandia batebruna nigo bagendete kwene kibuna na barabongo sira balensemo yokorigichi ndagera.
Yes, there is a serious insecurity situation in the country. There is famine, and the church is at the forefront in mobilizing relief in response to the famine situation. The church is equally concerned about insecurity. As we pray, we also want to see that our leaders are coming up with solutions, workable solutions.
Ase engana ya JMO.
We are not refusing GMO, but there must be controls. There must be scientific research over it so that we can know to inform our choices.
Nigobono babolirie serikali kurigereria chinjera chingao.
The church maybe we are also going to instruct our science people, Department of Research and Science from the church to advise us on the correct position on GMO.
Guribote regeta seni Candice TV kurwase obugatakati ebo muchobo songo iridariane Brighton Makoli.